Okay, hello trader. Welcome to this trading session. We're looking at GBPJPY, that's Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen, and from the chart we are on daily time frame. You can see what is happening on the daily time frame, where the price have been having a low at this particular level, going higher, coming into, and the price is just making a channel, parallel channel on the daily time frame if you're looking at it. But of recent, after the price hitting 184.94, you can see a huge drastic move into the resistance level. The place has become a resistance level at this level. That's around May 14th, and that's the price of 196.36. Okay, and the same thing, it has been a resistance also even in January and even November last year. So we can see after the hits. Okay, so let me just draw a particular trend line to show that there's a price move after the hit of 184. We can see the price moving to the resistance level at this particular level. So we have this we will see that yes, there's a bullish pressure pushing in, but the price has eaten a psychological level, which we can see that the price can pull back even after making a new V on that. So you can observe the kind of candlestick forming at this particular level. There's a price rejection candle, that's a dodgy candle that forms Monday, and also an engulfing that came in, and we're having this particular one at this level. So it's a reversal candlestick level telling us that this particular resistance level of 196.39 or 0.345 is a strong resistance level. So we'll be watching out for a simple candlestick breakout are below this trend line. So when once we see the price at 194.31, we are sure that there will be a strong move back into this level. But before that, let's go to um 4-hour time frame, and let's see if the candlesticks are saying the same thing on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so using these levels. So we can see on the 4 hours candlestick, yeah, we have like a double bottoms around here, which is it's very good to draw out your levels so we can easily relate to it. Okay, so we have this place. So it means the candle, even if it's dropping, we can have our target here, or when it crosses that level, it means we have a huge drop also. But at the current price, the market is consolidating, close to resistance level. So you always sell as resistance and buy as support. So we can see that yes, the candle, the level is very cleared. We have a double bottom, and there's the neckline. The candle cannot easily break the neckline because of this level. So we'll see that there's a lot of consolidation going in. So for you to get perfect entries is what you're going to be looking at as you navigate lower to a low time frame level. So let's go to, not to complicate things, let's go to 1 hour time frame. You can see that on 1 hour time frame, the market is actually giving in for a bearish movement because this level has been having a strong retest. Okay, look at the retest, the retest, and the retest. So you can see that actually for aggressive trader, they want to enter the market, or they just need to see yes that sellers are coming in maybe with a short uh, breakout of this levels. Okay, so if it eventually go below 195.4, you can have a sell. But from what we're seeing, you can have a sell at this current price, or rest assured that your stop loss is going to be above and your ticket is going to be below. So let's do this for those who want to sell at this current price, okay, so which we see, or after the break we can have a huge run of this market today. So if you even enter at this current price, I can put your stop loss above. This is a good risk to reward ratio, okay, or if you widen it and you 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 put your entries, okay, after the breakout of this level. So you see, you just widen your rates. You can also reduce your rates even when you enter at that particular level. So probably your rates will be around this. So if you compare the risk to reward ratio, you can see it's a good risk to reward ratio to look at the sell of uh GBPJPY is currently trading at 195.74. So we just need a 20 pip drop more. It will enhance a clinical entry, as we can see that the market is actually getting exhausted for the bullish movement and is converging for a bearish movement at this current price. So it's the major thing here is also looking at the fundamental, what's going on in the fundamental, as is what is happening to the Japanese yen. Japanese yen is getting strength, I think, with one or two fundamental analysis coming up. So the major thing is the chart is providing a huge opportunity for a volatile movement, and you can see that there's high chances that the volatile movement is going to be bearish or more than the bullish, because it won't be easy for the market to break the above. But when once the market go above 196.5, 196.5 or point 4, you can trigger a buy for those who still believe it will buy. But we can see that this trend is a strong trend, so it's still touching these levels. And once those trend, once the trend breaks, it shows that the market has a chance of touching the next trend or even coming to the major support level at 193.36. So we see a huge opportunity, or you just need to see a bearish is breaking the trend line already. We just need to see a bearish candle below the breakout of the trend line, and going into below 195 195.50. That should be an entry, or 195.58 or 50 is a good entry. So very interesting. We can see that we have a good setups, price action setups on Great Britain Japanese yen because of the good risk to reward ratio. We can see, but if it's just more of patience, you have to be patient, and watch out for the candlesticks. If it's going to go above, making a higher again, or currently is making a lower low from the movement. If you check the lower time frame of, let's say, 30 minutes, you can also see the lower low that is making. So it means that there's a change of structure building up, not really being confirmed, but building up to, so you can see as the price move into this, it's moved in and it started making a lower low, because this is a lower low here situation. You can see a lower low situation. The same thing go for a lower low situation. So if you put your trigger in this particular level, you can see that you ride well with the trend of the market, as the market provides itself with this kind of opportunity. So we're having a good sell for those who would like to see the sell even happening on the charts, because you can see that on this level, this is the price of that's the chart coming up. Okay, so the market is actually making a very strong, right from the chart we've drawn on 1 hour time frame here. So you can see that immediate a break of this will give us a good trading setup. So traders, just wait and see how we maneuver this break and continue to make a good profit. So we can see that we watch out for a break. There's already candlestick confirmation for a bearish movement, even right from this particular level of 195.87. You can see that there's a government reversal candle and the market is pushing down. So making a perfect entry, you put your stop loss at 196.5, 196.2 for non-aggressive, and your take profit, and your take profit will go lower than that. So take profit should be 193.36. Okay, so interesting. Watching for this market, and we can see that we have a huge opportunity at our hands to make more profits as the week is rounding up, and we are going into the mid of the month. And thank you very much for watching this analysis. See you some other analysis time. We have our VIP trading group, and also follow us on YouTube. Click and share this link. Click and share this video for more algorithm as we serve you better. Thank you. This remain Austin. Austin, bye for now. See you some other trading time.